Welcome back to In the Kitchen with me, Jo Lusted. Today I'm here with registered dietitian Sue Mott, and we're making some apple and cheddar muffins. It's a creative and easy way to add more fruit to your family's diet. How are you today, Sue?
I'm great, Jo, and this recipe sounds fantastic. I know it's going to be a smart choice for everyone in the family.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's get started. Mist a nonstick muffin pan with cooking spray. Then in a large bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk the applesauce, buttermilk, eggs, and oil. Then you can add the apples and the cheddar to the dry mixture. Make a well in the center of the flour and pour in the applesauce mixture. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Spoon the mixture into a muffin pan and then top each muffin with the remaining cheese. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 375 until golden on top.
They're a winner in my book. Thanks so much for sharing this delicious recipe. And thanks to Mott's Fruitsations for providing the delicious applesauce that we used today.
You can find this recipe and more at betterlivingtv.ca/in the kitchen.